Pickleball is booming, and whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, choosing the right paddle can make or break your game. The right paddle can give you more power, better control, and improved spin, helping you dominate the court. But with so many options available, how do you know which one is best for you? In this video, we'll showcase the top 6 pickleball paddles of the year, covering everything from power and precision to comfort and durability. Plus, we've included links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Let's find the perfect paddle for you. Number 6. Bread and Butter Invader. The Bread and Butter Invader is a well-balanced paddle designed for players who prioritize control without completely sacrificing power. Its carbon fiber face gives it a strong yet responsive touch, allowing players to generate topspin and slice shots with ease. This textured surface provides excellent ball grip, making it easier to shape shots and place the ball exactly where you want. Whether you're at the baseline hitting deep drives or at the net executing precise dinks, the Invader delivers consistent performance across various playing styles. At the core of this paddle is a polypropylene honeycomb structure, which enhances vibration, dampening, and control. This soft core design reduces shock on impact, making it an excellent choice for players who enjoy longer rallies and need a paddle that minimizes strain on the arm and wrist. The polypropylene core also provides a more predictable and controlled response, helping players maintain precision when executing resets and defensive shots. Weighing between 7.8 and 8.3 ounces, the Invader falls into the midweight category, which offers a great mix of maneuverability and power. Heavier paddles often generate more force but can be harder to handle, while lighter paddles provide quick reactions but may lack the ability to finish points decisively. The Invader strikes a perfect balance, making it ideal for all court players who transition between soft touch play and aggressive shots. With its textured carbon fiber face, vibration-absorbing core, and midweight build, the Bread and Butter Invader is a versatile, high-performance paddle for those who want precision, control, and enough power to close out points when necessary. If you're looking for a paddle that excels in both finesse and aggression, the Invader is a great choice. Number 5. Joola Perseus 3S. The Joola Perseus 3S is engineered for competitive players who demand pro-level performance with cutting-edge technology. Featuring a newly developed Carbon Flex 5 face, this paddle offers exceptional spin potential and shot precision, making it easier to execute topspin drives, slice returns, and controlled dinks. The textured surface enhances ball grip, ensuring that every shot is deliberate and accurate. Whether you're playing aggressively from the baseline or finishing shots at the net, the Perseus 3S provides the level of control needed to dominate points. At the heart of this paddle is its reactive polymer core designed to balance power and control. This core technology absorbs impact efficiently, reducing vibrations while still maintaining enough pop to put away shots when needed. Unlike some power-focused paddles that can feel too stiff, the Perseus 3S maintains a soft, controlled touch while still packing enough force for aggressive smashes and quick volleys. This makes it an ideal choice for players who need versatility, allowing them to shift between defensive resets and powerful offensive strikes with ease. One of the standout innovations in the Perseus 3S is its aero curve design, which reduces air resistance and enhances swing speed. This aerodynamic shape helps players generate faster, more fluid strokes, giving them an edge when returning fast serves or executing rapid counterattacks. Weighing between 8.0 and 8.4 ounces, this paddle is slightly heavier than standard models, adding extra stability and power to every shot, while still being maneuverable enough for quick exchanges at the net. Overall, the Joola Perseus 3S is a high-performance paddle built for serious competitors. With its cutting-edge materials, superior control, and fast-swinging design, it's an excellent choice for players who want precision, power, and pro-level responsiveness on the court. Number 4. Pickleball Apes Pulse V. The Pickleball Apes Pulse V is built for players who want a power-packed paddle without compromising on control. Designed with a T700 raw carbon fiber face, this paddle delivers exceptional spin potential and long-term durability. The textured surface ensures that players can put heavy topspin on passing shots or slice returns with confidence, making it a great choice for those who rely on spin to keep opponents off balance. Whether you're driving the ball from the baseline or executing controlled dinks at the net, the Pulse V gives you the precision and responsiveness needed to dominate play. One of the biggest strengths of this paddle is its thicker 16mm polymer core, which provides a perfect balance between power and control. While thinner paddles often produce raw power at the expense of finesse, the Pulse V's core absorbs shock effectively, making it ideal for quick reflex volleys and soft resets. This thicker core also enhances shot consistency, reducing unwanted vibrations while maintaining the ability to generate explosive put-away shots when needed. Players who like to mix aggression with strategic shot placement will appreciate how well this paddle performs in fast-paced exchanges. Another standout feature is its edgeless design, which maximizes the hitting surface and expands the sweet spot. This means fewer misshits and more clean connections, even on off-center shots. Weighing between 8.2 and 8.6 ounces, the Pulse V is slightly heavier, which translates to more stability and added power behind each swing. The additional weight also makes blocking and counterpunching against hard-hitting opponents easier, providing extra control when absorbing fast-paced shots. Overall, the Pickleball Apes Pulse V is a power paddle with remarkable control, making it an excellent option for players who love to dictate rallies with strong, precise shots while maintaining finesse at the net. Number 3. Spartus Olympus. The Spartus Olympus is a powerhouse paddle designed for players who rely on strong, aggressive shots while maintaining exceptional stability. Built with a 3K woven carbon fiber face, this paddle offers durability, spin, and a controlled yet explosive feel. The textured surface grips the ball well, allowing for sharp topspin drives and precise cut shots, making it an excellent choice for players who like to dictate the pace of the game. Whether you're smashing at the net or hitting deep baseline shots, the Olympus ensures power without sacrificing control. One of its most defining features is the 18mm polypropylene core, which is among the thickest cores available in pickleball paddles today. This extra thickness enhances stability, shock absorption, and shot consistency, making it easier to handle high-velocity exchanges. Thicker cores also provide a softer touch on resets and drop shots, ensuring that power players still have the ability to control the ball when necessary. Unlike some thinner paddles that can feel too rigid, the Olympus maintains a balanced response, allowing for both hard-hitting play and precise placement. Another standout feature is the extended handle, which is a game-changer for players who use a two-handed backhand. The longer grip allows for better leverage, increased shot variety, and improved control on backhand drives. The paddle weighs between 8.5 and 9.0 ounces, making it one of the heavier paddles on the market, which translates to more power on every shot while maintaining solid control during defensive plays. Overall, the Spartus Olympus is the ideal choice for power-focused players who need a paddle that can deliver maximum force, spin, and stability. If you love overpowering opponents at the net while still maintaining precision and finesse when needed, this paddle is a top-tier option. Number 2. Neonic Flare Prime X. The Neonic Flare Prime X is a high-performance paddle built for advanced players who demand the perfect combination of control, power, and spin. Its hybrid Kevlar carbon fiber face sets it apart, providing exceptional durability while also enhancing spin potential. The Kevlar component makes the paddle more resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-term performance, while the carbon fiber aspect offers a crisp, responsive feel that allows for precise shot making. Whether you're executing sharp topspin drives, aggressive slices, or delicate dinks, the Flare Prime X delivers consistency and reliability. One of the most notable features of this paddle is its reinforced edge guard, which protects against accidental scrapes and impacts. Players who engage in fast-paced, high-level play will appreciate this added durability, as it ensures that the paddle remains in top condition even after extensive use. This feature also contributes to better weight distribution, keeping the paddle balanced and maneuverable, which is crucial for both quick, reflex volleys and controlled resets. At the heart of the Flare Prime X is a multi-layered polymer core specifically designed to balance power with finesse. This advanced core technology absorbs shock effectively, making the paddle ideal for defensive plays and counterattacks, while still generating enough pop to finish points with authority. Weighing between 7.9 and 8.4 ounces, this paddle is light enough for quick hand speed at the net, but also heavy enough to add power to drives and smashes. Overall, the Neonic Flare Prime X is a versatile, all-around paddle that excels in every aspect of the game. If you're an advanced player looking for a paddle that provides top-tier spin, durability, and a perfect balance between offense and defense, this is an excellent choice. Number 1. Honolulu J2Ti. The Honolulu J2Ti stands at the top of our list as the best all-around paddle for serious players, combining a late-level power, spin, and control into one high-performance design. Featuring a graphene-infused carbon fiber face, this paddle delivers exceptional responsiveness and precision, allowing players to generate explosive power on drives while maintaining finesse on dinks and resets. The graphene infusion enhances durability and energy transfer, ensuring that every shot feels crisp and controlled, whether you're executing a forceful put-away or a soft drop shot at the net. At the core of the J2Ti is a titanium-reinforced polymer core, which sets it apart from traditional honeycomb cores. This advanced core technology provides superior shot consistency, vibration dampening, and long-lasting durability, Players who value a stable, predictable response, especially during high-pressure rallies, will appreciate how well this paddle absorbs shock without sacrificing power. The titanium reinforcement also adds an extra layer of structural integrity, making it an excellent choice for players who put their paddle through intense match play. Comfort is another major strength of the Honolulu J2Ti, thanks to its ergonomic handle with built-in vibration dampening. The grip is designed for maximum comfort, reducing strain on the wrist and forearm even during extended play sessions. Weighing between 7.7 and 8.3 ounces, this paddle strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and stability, making it ideal for all playing styles. Whether you play doubles, singles, or high-level tournament matches, the Honolulu J2T provides the precision, power, and comfort needed to dominate the court. If you're looking for a top-tier paddle that excels in every aspect of the game, this is the ultimate choice for 2025. There you have it, the top 6 best pickleball paddles of 2025. From control-focused paddles to power-packed options, we've covered something for every style of player. If you want a balanced all-court paddle, go with the bread and butter Invader. If you're a competitive player, the Joola Perseus 3S is an excellent choice. Need maximum power? The Spartus Olympus is the way to go. And if you want the absolute best, the Honolulu J2Ti is our top pick. No matter your skill level, investing in the right paddle can elevate your game. Which paddle are you choosing? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the courts.